You want to come closer? Hi, it's Mandy from Hoyt Arboretum, and today we're going to take a closer look at magnolias. Here we have a gorgeous specimen of star magnolia, also called Magnolia stellata, which is native to Japan. Star magnolia has precocious flowering, which means that it flowers before the leaves come out. And then here we have a bunch of blooms on the shrub itself. Here are the actual blooms of the magnolia itself. We can see that there's no differentiation between the sepals and the petals. So in magnolias, these sepals and petals are called tepals, and in star magnolia, there's usually 12 or more strap-like oblong tepals. Inside of these tepals, we have a bunch of stamens that are elongated. They're called laminar stamens. They're arranged spirally on the axis. And then the very center here, this is a collection of many, many pistils, all aggregated together. So we're on the Magnolia Trail at Hoyt Arboretum, and right across the trail from the star magnolia we were just looking at is this beautiful saucer magnolia. So this is a Magnolia solangiana. It's a hybrid, which is often used in gardens and ornamental landscapes. And it has upright flowers that blooms before the leaves come out. And it's similar in the star magnolia, in which it has these tepals, except that the sepals and petals are a little bit more differentiated now. And if we open these up, you'll see they're kind of purplish pink on the outside, white on the inside. The saucer magnolia has blooms that look like a cup or a saucer shape. And then the petals are more oblong in shape. And then again in the center you have all of these oblong elongated stamens, laminar stamens, and then in the center you have this aggregate of pistils. So each one is a separate pistil, and then when it develops into a larger fruit, it will develop into a cone-like structure called a strobilus. That's an aggregation of dried fruits called follicles. Join me next time when we take a closer look at another cool plant at Hoyt Arboretum. Thanks!